Anterior Interventricular Artery. 8 questions and answers. Is the anterior interventricular artery an artery of the heart? Yes, the anterior interventricular artery is an artery of the heart. Is the anterior interventricular artery a branch of the left coronary artery? Yes, the anterior interventricular artery is a branch of the left coronary artery. What is the anterior interventricular artery also known as? The anterior interventricular artery is also known as the left anterior descending artery. What is the abbreviation of the left anterior descending artery? The left anterior descending artery is abbreviated as LAD. Does the anterior interventricular artery travel to reach the anterior interventricular sulcus? Yes, the anterior interventricular artery travels to reach the anterior interventricular sulcus. What does the anterior interventricular artery supply? The anterior interventricular artery supplies the intraventricular septum, apex, and myocardium. Does the anterior interventricular artery give off branches? Yes, the anterior interventricular artery gives off branches. The anterior interventricular artery gives off branches. Name them. The anterior interventricular artery gives off diagonal and septal branches.